Welcome back to Quest for Quiz, the preliminary round of the 2019 season of TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. We have Coffee Peace Primary on 1 point, Little Bay All Age on 5 points as we head into the Junior Challenge Face-Off. In this section, individual team members face off in the categories of Math, Science, Social Studies, and English Language. First face-off, it's in mathematics. It's between Tashay White of Coffee Peace Primary up against Keisha Bremer of Little Bay All Age. Tashay, we begin with you. 58 is what percent of 116?
Jesus Christ.
Question passes. Keisha, want to try? Want to try?
Yes, Miss Half.
That's incorrect. The percent we're looking for is 50. Tashay, what is 25 minus 14.62? Question passes. Keisha, want to try?
No, Miss.
It's 10.38. Tashay, what's the square root of 441? Time's up, Keisha.
21.
That is correct. Tashay, what is 600 divided by 12? Question passes. Keisha?
50.
50 is correct. Tashay, how many prime numbers are there between 5 and 15?
5. 4.
That's incorrect. Keisha, want to try?
Miss. 3, Miss.
3 is correct. Keisha, we're now over to you. 75 is what percent of 300? Time's up. Tashay, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 25%. Keisha, what is 30 minus 18.28? Time's up. Tashay?
No, thank you.
It's 11.72. Keisha, what's the square root of 576?
29.
That's in. Tashay, want to try?
24. No, thank you.
It's 24. Keisha, what is 800 divided by 80?
Really? 10.
That's right. Keisha, how many prime numbers are there between 20 and 30? Question passes. Tashay, want to try?
3. Thank you. 3.
That's incorrect. It's actually 2. And that takes us now to face off 2. It's in the category of science. It's between Olivia Murray of Coffee Peace Primary. Olivia goes up against Adesh Salabi at Little Bay All Age. Olivia, we begin with you. Which type of lens is used to correct long-sightedness?
Pass.
Question passes to Adesh.
Yes, thanks. Convex.
Convex lens is correct. Olivia, in plants, which specific absorbs water? Which specific part absorbs water?
Stem.
That's incorrect, Adesh.
Yes, please. Root.
That's incorrect. The specific part is the root hairs. Olivia, which part of the air sends sound waves to the brain?
Pinna.
That's incorrect. Adesh?
Hold on.
It's the cochlea. Olivia, what are the two main blood vessels through which blood passes in the human body?
Pass.
Adesh? It's veins and arteries. What are the bones around your chest that protect organs such as the heart called?
The cardiac muscles.
That's incorrect. Adesh, want to try?
Yes, please. It's the rib cage.
Accepted. That is correct. Adesh, we're now over to you. Light rays first bend when they hit which part of the eye?
The lens.
That's incorrect. Olivia?
Yes, miss, the pupil.
That's also incorrect. It's the cornea. Adesh, what's the main source of energy in photosynthesis?
The sun.
That's right. Which part of the air detects movement? Question passes to Olivia.
No, miss.
It's the semicircular canal. Adesh, what are the two main blood cells in the human body? Passes to Olivia. It's the red and white blood cells. Adesh, what's the outside layer of skin on the human body called?
Epidermis.
That is correct. Taking us now into face-off number 3. It's in the category of English language. It's between Venetia Duffus of Coffee Peace Primary. Venetia is up against Anika Bryan of Little Bay All Age. Venetia, complete the English proverb. Easy come.
Hard waist.
That's incorrect. Anika,
Easy go.
easy. Go, Judge. Not accepted. It's easy. Goes. Venetia, form a noun from the word bathe
Bather.
or bath. That's correct. Venetia, spell imitation.
IMTAMINT.
That's incorrect. Anika, want to try?
IMMITATION.
That's incorrect. It's imitation. IMITATION. Venetia, identify the preposition in the following sentence. The cat jumped off the bed.
Oft.
That's right. Give the singular for stories.
Story.
That's correct. Anika, we're now over to you. Complete the English proverb. Enough is. Question passes to Venetia.
No, thank you.
It's enough. Enough is enough. Anika, form a noun from the word heal. Venetia, want to try?
Yes, thank you, Miss Healer.
That's incorrect. It's actually. Yes, it's correct. Okay, that is accepted. Other answer would have been health. Anika, spell immediately.
IMEDIATLEY.
That's incorrect. Venetia, want to try?
No, thank you, Miss.
It's immediately. IMMEDIATELY. Anika, identify the preposition in the following sentence. We are running in the gym today.
In.
That's right. Give the singular for foxes.
Fox.
That is correct. Taking us now to our final face-off. It is in the category of social studies. It's between Damaine Powell of Coffee Peace Primary up against Deshane Miller of Little Bay All Age. Damaine, we begin with you. On which continent is Peru located?
Asia.
That's incorrect. Deshane?
South America.
Say again?
South America.
South America is correct. Damaine, in Trinidad and Tobago, who is the head of state?
Pass.
Deshane, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the president. Damaine, if someone is awarded the Jamaican National Award, Order of National Hero, how should they be officially addressed?
The Honorable.
That's incorrect. Deshane?
No, thank you.
It's the right excellent. Damaine, in which Jamaican parish can you find the Trial Beach?
Westmoreland.
That's incorrect. Deshane?
No, thank you.
It's in Hanover. Damain, give 2 of the colors of the South Korean flag.
Yellow and red.
That's incorrect. Deshane?
Yes, thank you. Thank you. White and blue.
Right, and blue. That's correct. Deshane, we're now over to you. On which continent is Morocco located?
Asia.
That's incorrect. Damain, want to try?
No, miss.
It's Africa. Deshane, who is the head of state for St. Kitts and Nevis? Question passes. Damain?
Yes, thank you, miss. Queen Elizabeth.
That's accepted. That is correct. Deshane, if someone is awarded the Jamaican National Award Order of Merit, how should they be officially addressed?
Honorable.
That is correct. Deshane, in which Jamaican parish can you find the Fern Gully?
St. James.
That's incorrect. Damain?
No, thank you, miss.
It's St. Anne. Deshane, give 2 of the colors of the flag of Ghana.
Red and green.
Say again.
Red and green.
That is correct. And that takes us to the end of our final face-off and the end of section 2.
Little Bay All Age is still ahead on 15 points at the end of round 2, while Coffee Peace Primary follows with 4 points.
We are actually accepting easy come, easy go. We'll amend the scores in the break. Stay with us. The final challenge is up next.